Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the place where smart tech meets real-world use, without the jargon or hype. Today we're taking to the skies with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, complete with the upgraded DJI RC2 controller. This is DJI's latest ultralight drone under 250 grams, meaning it skirts around a lot of annoying regulations, but still packs in powerful pro-level features like 4K 100 FPS video, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and ActiveTrack 360. So, can something this small really deliver big league performance? Let's find out. What's in the box? Fly More Combo Edition. If you're getting the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2, here's what you're unpacking. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone, DJI RC2 smart controller with built-in display, 3 intelligent flight batteries, 2-way charging hub, shoulder bag, extra propellers, screws and screwdriver, USB-C charging cables and connection accessories. First impressions? Everything feels very premium. The case is compact and well organized, the controller has a great in-hand feel, and the 3-battery setup gives you serious flight time flexibility. Right out of the box, it's clear this isn't just a toy drone, it's a full camera platform in a tiny package. Design and portability. Now let's talk size, because the Mini 4 Pro's biggest selling point is also its tiniest feature. At just 249 grams, it avoids registration in many regions, including the US and parts of Europe. That's a big deal for casual flyers and content creators who don't want to deal with aviation paperwork. The design is nearly identical to the Mini 3 Pro, sleek arms, foldable frame, and forward-backward sensors tucked in cleanly. But the Mini 4 Pro adds side and rear obstacle sensors, giving you true 360-degree obstacle avoidance. This is a first for any DJI drone this small. It's ultra-packable, slips into a small bag or even a large jacket pocket, and makes zero sacrifices in build quality. Camera quality, let's get to the good stuff. The Mini 4 Pro rocks a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with dual native ISO, the same sensor size as the Mini 3 Pro, but with a few huge upgrades. You now get 4K video up to 100 FPS for buttery smooth slow motion, 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG for pro-grade color grading, vertical shooting mode, perfect for social media, night mode and improved low-light capture. The detail, sharpness, and color accuracy are excellent. Whether you're filming golden hour landscapes, fast-moving vehicles, or moody city nights, the Mini 4 Pro captures content that feels a lot more cinema than YouTube. Photos? 48 MP RAW and JPEG with Smart HDR. And yes, the vertical mode is real vertical, not cropped, thanks to the rotating gimbal. Flight performance and obstacle avoidance. Here's where DJI flexes its flight tech muscles. With its new omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini 4 Pro can literally sense and avoid objects in all directions. Trees, poles, walls, or even tight alleyways. It's way harder to crash this drone unless you're really trying. ActiveTrack 360 is another game changer. Instead of only following you from behind or the side, the drone can now fly around the subject in a complete circle while maintaining tracking. It makes your solo shots look like they were planned by a Hollywood drone pilot. Flight time? Around 34 minutes per battery, or up to 45 if you pick up the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Just note that it takes the drone over 249 grams. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, so you're getting over 90 minutes of airtime in one kit. The drone handles wind better than you'd expect for its size and stays rock solid even in moderate gusts. DJI RC2 controller, next level convenience. The DJI RC2 is a big highlight of this combo. No more fumbling with your phone and cables. This controller has a built-in ultra-bright 700 nit screen and pre-installed DJI Fly app. It uses DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission, which means stable 1080p live video from up to 20 kilometers away, though in real-world conditions, expect around 6 to 10 kilometers reliably. The RC2 feels solid, buttons are tactile, and the lack of distractions from phone notifications makes the flying experience way more immersive and focused. Intelligent features and app experience. The DJI Fly app is intuitive and loaded with smart shooting modes. Master shots. Quick shots, like Droney, Helix, and Rocket. Hyperlapse. Waypoints for pre-programmed flight paths. cruise control for smooth cinematic pans. And yes, you can edit and share directly from the app. DJI has clearly made an effort to cater to both pros and hobbyists here. What we loved. Let's talk highlights. Compact and under 250 grams, no registration hassle. Best-in-class camera in a tiny body. True omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. ActiveTrack 360 adds cinematic movement. DJI RC 2 is a fantastic controller upgrade. 3 batteries, serious flight time. Vertical video for Instagram, TikTok, and Shorts. Excellent low light and slow motion options. This combo gives you pro-level tools with beginner-friendly usability. That's a rare mix. What could be better? Of course, there are a few cons. It's not cheap, especially with the RC2. Wind resistance is good, but still not like heavier drones. No onboard internal storage, always need a micro SD card. Vertical gimbal still can't point fully up. Battery Plus takes it over 249 grams, so you lose the sub 250 grams benefits. And while obstacle sensing is impressive, it's not totally foolproof. You still need to fly smart in tight areas. Who's this for? This is a dream drone for content creators on the go, real estate agents needing quick aerial shots, solo adventurers or travel vloggers, beginners who want top-tier safety features, pros who need a portable, backup drone with serious quality. Basically, if you want amazing footage in a super portable form, without worrying about crashing or registration forms, the Mini 4 Pro delivers. Final verdict. So, is the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo worth the hype? Absolutely. It takes nearly everything great about the Mini 3 Pro and turns it up a notch. With omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, better slow-mo, smarter tracking, and the stellar RC2 controller. For travelers, creators, and anyone who wants pro-grade footage in a sub-250 grams package, this is the best drone you can buy right now. We're giving the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo with RC2 a solid 9.2 out of 10. It's powerful, portable, and smart. A true no-compromise drone in your palm. Ready to fly smarter? Check out the Amazon link in the description to see the latest price and bundles for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It might just be the best upgrade you make this year. And hey, there might be a deal waiting for you. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Modern Gadget Guy, and tap that bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay tech ready.